Okay class, hi everyone, let's just do a recap of this week's lesson, okay? Let's look at the first one. We looked at, before that, we looked at symmetry, we looked at reflection, and we looked at translation this week. So let's just go through briefly one by one. First one, symmetry. Symmetry is when you divide a shape into exactly half. And once you divide it into half, both sides must look exactly the same. So let's take this smiley face for example, okay? Now this shape, if I divide it this way, both sides don't look the same because one got two eyes, one got a smile. They don't look the same, so cannot. But if I divide it this way, then I have one eye and half a smile, one eye and another half of a smile. So they are exactly the same. So this is a line of symmetry. This cannot be a line of symmetry because it doesn't cut it into exactly half, producing the exact same shape on both sides. Okay? So that's symmetry. And then we look at reflection. Okay? Reflection, remember we need a mirror line. So let's say I have a graph. Okay? I have a graph. Okay? Okay. And let's say I have a shape here. Let's say I have here. Okay? And I say that my mirror line is x equals to 2. This is my x-axis. This is x equals to 2, right? So this x equals to 2, I just extend longer a bit. X equals to. Okay? Oh, never mind. Let me do nearer a bit. Closer a bit. Hang on. Let's say x equals to 1 is here. So let's say x equals to 1. Okay? So this is my mirror line, let's say. Now, I want to reflect this shape with this being the mirror line. So this being reflected to mirror shape will be this side. Okay? So how to know what it will look like this side? So we count. So from here right up to the mirror line, how many boxes? 1, 2. So I draw here. So 1, 2. So this will be my first point. And then this one, 1, 2. So 1, 2. So this one here. So okay. And then we take this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here. So my shape will be like this now. This is S, this is S prime. So this will fall at 4. Okay? So this is how I draw a mirror image. This being the mirror line. I have one shape here. I count 1, 2, 3 boxes. So 1, 2, 3 boxes. So this one will be here. So it's like the back are facing each other. Okay, so that's how you figure out what the shape will look like upon reflecting it on a mirror line. Okay, then we look at translation. Translation is when you move an object to a different position. And then you use a vector. A vector is written like this. You don't have a line in the middle. If line in the middle means it's fraction. This is not a fraction, this is a vector. The number at the top will tell you move to the right or to the left. The number at the bottom will tell you you're moving up or down. So let's say I have an object here. Okay, and the vector given is, let's say, 2, -5. So 2, because it's a positive, I move to the right. So let's say this point, I go point by point. So 1, 2. And then -5 means top or bottom? Bottom, because negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point will now be here. And then, let's look at this point. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will now be here. And then we have the last point, which is this. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point will now be here. So my new shape will be this, like this. So this is S, this is S prime. They will be exactly the same size, facing the same way. It's just that they are in a different position. Like reflection, this is facing this side. Let's say this, right? Now it's facing different. The back are facing each other. But translation, they will look exactly the same. They just shifted to a different position. Okay? So that is how we do translation. So we have symmetry, we have reflection, and we have translation. This is the object, this is the image. For image, we denote it as S apostrophe or T apostrophe depending on the letter given. Okay? So this is how we do it. Please try the quiz. I've uploaded a quiz. Please do the quiz. And if you have any questions, ask me in class. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.